Hello everyone, I'm going to show you unboxing and review of Dr. Trust Pulse Oximeter 210 model. This is a must-have device in this corona time. So I purchased this device from Flipkart around 1300 rupees. Right now the price is around 2000. MRP of this product is 5500 rupees. The build quality is quite good. You can put the batteries here. Batteries also provided with the product. Now I will show you how to use this product. You need to enter your right hand middle finger into the product. So once you do that, the product will slightly lift up from behind. So I've seen the reviews on Flipkart that some people are complaining that the quality is bad, but I think this is design feature that it lifts up little bit from behind. After that, you need to press this button. It will turn on. Within 5 to 10 seconds it will start providing you the reading. The reading is quite accurate. I have measured with another device. So this is the SpO2 level, this is pulse rate, and that is SpO2. So by short pressing this button you can change the direction of reading, and if you long press this button it will show you the menu. You can set the alarm, beep, demo, brightness by pressing the long pressing the button. Then this is the high value of SpO2 and low value, pulse rate, high value and low value. So if it is above or below this value it will beep. For exiting it, long press this, it will again come to the same. And one more thing, if I remove the finger it will show the finger is out. And inside of this it is made up of soft material, so that is also very good. In my opinion, this is a very good pulse oximeter.